everybody. We're here today at NASA Night here at the Planetarium. It's our 5th annual Community NASA Night, where we invite all of our kinder through 5th grade parents to come with their children to explore anything from phases of the moon to building, making slime, building rockets. We have the planetarium going, and we have a great turnout, and we're so excited to be here.
We have a total of 22 activities ranging from galaxy in a jar to slime in a galaxy. We also have our planetarium showing a movie for all the students across the district, getting to experience the dome and the wonders of the planetarium.
So Science National Honor Society is here today on NASA Night to help promote La Joya ISD, promote science education for elementary students here. And if you stop by our table, you do see our Science NHS logo to help promote the idea of wanting kids to join our honor society and helping promote science education in the community.
Science is very important and it's very special, and we're grateful that La Joya ISD has this event to promote science, as this science has a lot of professions that many kids can be interested in. By going to this event, they can see the professions that are available to them.
So thanks to La Joya ISD, we were able to open up this wonderful Science National Honor Society, and thanks to this wonderful opportunity, I will be attending UT in the fall, majoring in biology pre-med.
Thanks to La Joya ISD, I will be pursuing forensic investigative science at Texas A&M College Station, and I'm very grateful for the opportunities that it has given me and opened this path for me.
Thanks to La Joya ISD, I am pursuing Associate of Science in South Texas College.
Our goal tonight is to engage students in STEM education, in space, science, and engineering, and to just have fun, to come and join us and just have fun, explore, and, you know, become future innovators, future scientists, future engineers. That is our goal for the Math and Science Department today.
Thank you, everybody, for helping us put this together, from the facilities department that help us set up all the tents to all our academics department, as well as our schools who have all the activities at their tables, as well as our school board members, our superintendent, Dr. Sorensen, and of course, thank you, parents, for bringing your students to enjoy our fun NASA night here at the Planetarium.